Last program of VTU syllabus is write an ALP to write some data into RAM location. So we can write any simple program. This one we already did so many times in our other programs only. So this is separate program, demo program to write some data. So area is I can declare area as data write to RAM location. No, data write is the label I am giving to RAM location, and it's a code and it's a read only memory. Export space underscore underscore main. So next we are declaring some data. Any data you can write. Data dcd define constant data of 0x12345678. This data we are writing into RAM location. So underscore underscore main. So data variable declaration and labels should not leave any space. So load R naught with the data value, first data. After that load R1 with address of RAM location. So RAM location is a variable declared in the data, which is a RAM area, and it is read write area. So initial value of that value is 0. Define constant data byte of define constant data of 0. Now after this, we are getting that address of into R1. After that we are writing store R0 into R1 means is nothing but writing of RAM location. So that's what this type of instruction we already did so many times. So this is separate program. In the exam nobody is going to ask you this program. This because this we are going to use it in other programs only. So this is nothing but write R0 content into, okay, RAM location, the variable which is a RAM lock. It is a label given to that. So now we will verify this program, simple program. So I will compile this program. So build target. So reading 0 errors and 0 warnings. So start debug. By default it will go to startup file line number 131. So load R0 with the address of underscore underscore main branch to label that. So it is coming to our program underscore underscore main. So this is coming from our startup file. So it is fetching this address of this line and coming jumping to this label. So first load R0 with data. So data what we had given 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So that data will go to R0. R0 is loaded with 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. After that load R1 with the RAM location address. So RAM location address is the RAM area. So it is showing 1 followed by 7 zeros. After that store R0 to R1. So here you can see in the memory window it is already opened. In the previous case only view memory window 1. There you type address as 0x1 followed by 7 zeros. By default it will show 000. Now we are writing this data into this RAM location. This is the address of RAM location of your ARM Cortex M3. 0x10000 1 followed by 70. So here we are writing this data 1 2 3 4 5 7 6 8 into this location. That is the program. So it is a program to write some any data to RAM location. This is a RAM location. We are writing this data here. So this is a simple instruction. Store R0 to address specified by R1 means it is coming here. You can see here. This will come to here. See here came now. 1 2 3 4 5 6. It is some light green color. So this is now the data write operation done in the RAM location. This data is present in RAM location. That data we read, and after that we wrote the same data into RAM location. So that's all.